person with a pumpkin head. I want to escape this workshop planet, but I'm trapped and filled with dread.
Welcome to our haunted house, filled with spooky things. Don't try to leave, there's no escape. Nightmares we will bring.
The big fat mosquito will suck your blood. The freaky table will chase you.
I'm Melno, terrifying to bits.
And I'm a creepy spider named Bob. Boo! I'm Wizzy, the boss of this planet, loaded up with cash. Bob, guard the exits, no ins or outs, or 10 trillion doggy dollars goes in the trash. Welcome to our haunted house, filled with spooky things. Don't try to leave, there's no escape. Nightmares we will bring.
A bomb Jamie caught me waiting. A wooden broom was a mystery, she screamed.
Don't you dare touch Jeff, or I'll pull up your search history.
You pull up my search history? Oh no, not that. I'm very scared. I'll crawl to my family.
How exciting!
Phew, I'm relieved.
Let's go before anybody sees.
They're finally free, mother and son. The magic boat sails wherever.
Fun!
NYC, Planet Bobo, LA. Nightmares no more.